AirShare Oklahoma presents Beginners Helping Beginners.
In episode 1, we'll focus on an introduction to cheap versus expensive drones and what to do for the FAA testing. We'll also cover the basics to get you started studying for the test, how to schedule your test, and also what to do once you pass. Number 1, cheap drone versus expensive. There are several things you need to ask yourself when you are going to purchase a drone. A lot will have to do with the purpose of the drone. Trying to determine the purpose of what you intend to use the drone for will help a lot. You need to ask yourself if you intend to fly a drone for just fun or to fly it for a business. You want to definitely look at whether it is a Wi-Fi or RC signal, and also be looking at the battery life. You want to get batteries that have at least a 15-minute lifespan. Cheap drones camera system will not be as good as an expensive, but you can get by with proper settings. Number 2, studying for FAA Airmen certification. It's true what a lot of these places say, that the test is difficult, but it is not quite so hard if you understand the 3 main parts of the test. Number 1, way above and beyond anything else, aeronautical charts and legends. You must also be familiar with the regulations listed in CFR 14 Part 107. CTAF, also known as Common Traffic Air Frequency, will be a number of questions on the test. Number 3, setting up an FAA online account. You can find a link within the description of this video below on where to go to receive your C number from the FAA. Obtaining your C number is the first thing you have to do even before you schedule your test. The only way to schedule your test for the remote pilot is by obtaining a C number first. This C number is more or less an account number of your identity with the FAA. It will usually take a couple of days for your C number to register and be recognized by the exam site. Your C number does not give you permission to fly or register your drone. You will receive a different number once you pass your test. That will be your pilot's license number. Registering your drone is a totally separate number apart from your C number and apart from your pilot's license number. You receive a different unique registration number for each and every drone that you own and fly commercially. Number 4, how to schedule your test. Click on this link in the video description below and then follow the example in the screenshots in the next slides. Once you register with the website, you will then be able to schedule where to take the test, when, and at that time. Once you take your test and pass, the testing site will update your account number with the FAA, and your past test will register on the FAA website. Be patient once you pass your test. It can take up to 90 days to actually be fully approved to receive your permanent license. You will be able to go to the FAA site once it recognizes that you have passed, and you will be able to print off a temporary license. Good luck, and make sure you study for at least a week before the test.
Stay tuned for more episodes on AirShare Oklahoma.